Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we will see various NEET counselling authorities in India. We will also discuss which counselling authority will conduct counselling for various college types and various quotas available in them. This video is part of MBBS admission counselling video course for government colleges. You can watch the complete course on video course section of MBBSCouncil Android app. If you have not installed the app, you can install it from Google Play Store. Install link is also given in the description below. If you haven't watched types of government medical colleges as well as various quota videos, we request you to watch those videos before proceeding with this video. Even though there are more than 25 plus government medical admission counselling authorities in India, we can broadly group them under All India level counselling and state level counselling authority. Based on the medical college type and quota which you are looking for, you should apply for the respective counselling authority. Students who are native to a particular state are eligible for state quota seats in government medical colleges located within their state, as well as all India quota seats in government medical colleges in all Indian states. So students seeking admission in government quota will apply for minimum 2 counsellings, one for all India counselling and another for their native state counselling. Here we are seeing the counselling authorities: Medical Counselling Committee, 20 plus State Directorate of Medical Education, Armed Forces Medical College, various ministries of central government, all deemed university medical colleges and all private medical colleges can conduct NEET counselling for seat allotment. Deemed universities and private colleges are allowed to conduct counselling only after the conduct of mop-up round counselling by the government authorities. We will see more about this later in this video. The first one to discuss is All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Until 2019, there was a separate entrance exam and counselling for AIIMS as well as JIPMER. Starting from 2020, MBBS admission counselling for AIIMS colleges and JIPMER is being conducted by Medical Counselling Committee, shortly called as MCC. MCC functions under Directorate General of Health Sciences, Government of India. It is the designated authority to conduct counselling for All India quota and counselling for central government and medical colleges for UG, PG and super specialty courses. The counselling for All India quota, which is 15% seats of all government colleges in India, are conducted online by Medical Counselling Committee. You can find information about all medical colleges counselling process by visiting official website mcc.nic.in. You also need to visit this website regularly for updates during the counselling time. If you have already installed MBBSCouncil app, you will receive all counselling updates in the app itself. You can install the app from Google Play Store. After NEET results are announced, registrations will begin within 3 weeks. If you face any difficulty during counselling, you can contact the support number mentioned in this website or contact the counsellor by clicking the WhatsApp button in the MBBSCouncil app. 83% seats in state government and medical colleges are filled by the respective state counselling authority. Each and every state have one counselling authority which takes care of the allotment. In some states, it is done by the State Directorate of Medical Education, and in some states, it is done by the Medical or Health Sciences University of that state. Few government-aided colleges such as GMERS do not have All India quota as they are fully funded by the government societies. Counselling for state government society run medical colleges are solely conducted by State Counselling Authority. Armed Forces Medical College conducts additional tests and conducts counselling apart from the NEET exam. We will cover AFMC counselling in a separate video. For Army College of Medical Sciences in Delhi, you need to apply for Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University counselling to get allotment. For ESA colleges, you need to apply through MCC for All India quota as well as ESA quota. ESA colleges also have state quota. So for that, you need to participate in the respective state counselling where the ESI college is located. We will also cover ESI counselling in detail in another video. MCC conducts NEET UG counselling for the following quotas. 100% open quota seats in AIIMS across India. Open quota seats in JIPMER, Aligarh Muslim University and Banaras Hindu University. Internal Puducherry domicile quota in JIPMER. NRI quota seats in AIIMS Delhi, JIPMER as well as Aligarh Muslim University. 15% All India quota seats in state and government medical colleges and ESI colleges. 85% Delhi University quota seats in University College of Medical Science, Maulana Azad Medical College, Lady Hardinge Medical College. 85% Indraprastha University quota seats in Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Medical College. For these colleges, Delhi domicile is mandatory. MCC also conducts counselling for ESI quota seats in 11 ESI medical colleges. I have listed State Counselling Authority websites of few states here. State quota counselling registration will also begin soon after the NEET results are announced. Except few states like Kerala and Delhi Indraprastha University, where the counselling begins much before the NEET results are announced. You need to check these counselling websites regularly for counselling updates. If you have already installed MBBSCouncil app, you will receive all counselling updates on the app itself. You can install MBBSCouncil app from Google Play Store. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET counselling, contact MBBS Admission Counsellor by clicking the WhatsApp button on the home screen of MBBSCouncil app. Our counsellors will answer them when they find free time. See you in another video.